Welcome to my channel. My name is Ria, and in this video we are going to work the side of the hips, this area, right? So we have 5 exercises. First we're going to do those 5 exercises on the right side, and then we will repeat those on the left side. So we will work on each exercise for 45 seconds, and then we will get a 15-second rest. When we rest for 15 seconds, I will demonstrate the next exercise for you. So 5 moves on the right, repeat those on the left, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, a total of 10 minutes. Now there is no jumping in this workout, and all the exercises are on the floor. So you can use a mat or a soft surface like a carpet to do this workout. So now I'm going to put on the timer and then we will get started. But before that, I do request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a video. And let's get started. So let's come on down to the mat. We're going to lie down with the left side on the mat like this. We're going to bend the knees, lift up the feet, flex, open, close. So this is the clamshell, and we're just going to do this. If this is too challenging, keep your feet on the floor, open, close. Choice is yours. All right, let's go. You'll feel this right here. Twenty seconds. Rest. Next up, same position, clamshell, kick back, clamshell, kick back. If this is too challenging, keep your feet on the floor, open, kick back. Let's go. Rest. All right, now we're going to straighten out the legs, forward, back, forward, back. You feel this here. So get ready. Let's go. Fifteen seconds. Rest. All right. Next up, we're going to lift up the leg and small circles. Right? We're going to go about 20-22 seconds on one side and then reverse. I will tell you when to reverse. So let's go. Small circles. Squeeze this part of your glutes while you do this. Okay, reverse. rest. Next up, we're going to change position. You can do this on your palms like this or on your elbows if you have sensitive wrists. And we're just gonna open, close, open, close the right leg. Fifteen seconds. Rest. Now we're going to change sides. So this time right side at the bottom. Right. We're going to lie down. Start with clamshell. This one. You can always keep your feet on the floor like this. Let's go. Rest. Next up, clamshell, kick back. If you find this challenging, open, kick back. Your choice. Almost there. Rest. Okay, we're gonna straighten out the legs and forward, back, forward, back. The more you squeeze this part, the more you'll feel the burn. Rest. Alright, next up, small circles, okay, about 20-22 seconds on one side, and then we will reverse. Let's go. Put your attention on your side glutes. Squeeze as much as you can. Reverse the circles. rest. Next up, on all fours or on your elbows. That's your choice. And open, close, open, close. Let's go. "30 seconds. Rest. So that was your 10-minute workout. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do hit the like button, do share it with somebody you think it might be useful for, and please do subscribe. And now I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.